Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dan bahagia. I am Lailatul Karunia Rahmawati. I am student of PPG Pre-Service at Sarjana Wiatata Mahasiswa University. On this occasion, I will present my article, Effort to Increase Learning Interest of Grade 5 Student in IPA Stroke Problem-Based Learning Model with the help of virtual interactive media. Ladies and gentlemen, before some of my background, many grade 5 students at SDN Perumas Condong Catur are losing interest in learning IPAS. This is due to monotone and less interactive teaching method, which lead to bedroom and dissegment. To address this issue, this research proposed the integration of problem-based learning and interactive media, specifically virtual. This combination aims to create a more engaging and effective learning experience for students, identify the main factor influencing student interest in learning at the primary level, explore the application of the PBL model combined with virtual to increase student interest in learning IPAS, contribute to the development of more effective learning strategies at the primary school level, provide practical recommendation for educator and policymaker to improve the quality of primary education. This research is significant because it addresses a pressing issue in primary education, declining studying interest. By combining PBL and interactive media, this study aims to enhance student engagement and motivation, develop critical thinking and IPAS, innovate teaching practice to meet the needs of the digital age. By implementing the strategies, we can create a more dynamic and effective learning environment that foster a lifelong love of learning. The study employed a classroom action research design utilizing a qualitative approach with quantitative data analysis. The classroom action research model involved four case stage planning, action, observation, and reflection. The research was conducted with 25 grade students at SDN Perumas Condong Catur, comprising 8 female and 12 male students. Multiple data collection method were used. Questionnaires to measure student interest in learning before and after the intervention, observation to observe student engagement, teacher implementation, and classroom dynamic, interview to gain deeper insight into student perception of the learning process, documentation to collect relevant documents such as lesson plan and study work. Quantitative data from questionnaires were analyzed using descriptive statistics and presented calculation. Calculative data from observation and interview were analyzed thematically to identify pattern and trend. The intervention involved integrating problem-based learning with virtual interactive media. PBL was used to simulate critical thinking and problem-solving skill, while virtual provided engaging and interactive learning experience. The integration of problem-based learning and virtual interactive media significantly increasing student interest in learning IPA Sky finding in class. Increased interest, 30% increase in overall student interest was observed from cycle 1 to cycle 2. Enhanced engagement, students were more actively involved in learning activities, asking questions and participating in discussion. Improved learning outcomes, students demonstrated better understanding of the subject matter and achieve higher score on assessment. Analysis of interest indicator feeling of pleasure or like, student express more enjoyment and satisfaction with the learning process. Interest in learning, student exhibit a stronger desire to learn and explore the subject matter. Attention to learning, students were more focused and attentive during lesson. Involved in learning, students actively participated in activities and contribute to group discussion. Discussion, the positive impact of the intervention can be attributed to the following factors: student-centered learning. PBL promote active learning, empowering students to take ownership of their learning. Interactive media, virtual, engaging features such as game and quiz, capture student attention and motivation them to learn. Real-world relevance, PBL connect abstract concept to real-life situation, making learning more meaningful. Collaborative learning, group activity foster teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skill. This research aligns with previous studies that highlight the effectiveness of PBL and interactive media in enhancing student engagement and learning outcomes. And the integration of problem-based learning (PBL) and virtual interactive media has proven to be an effective strategy for increasing student interest in learning IPAS. The research findings demonstrate a significant improvement in student engagement and motivation. Key finding increased student interest. A notable rise in student interest was observed from Cycle 1 to Cycle 2. Enhanced learning experience. The combination of PBL and virtual created a more dynamic and interactive learning environment. Improved academic performance. Students show improved understanding and achievement in natural and social science. Recommendation to further enhance the learning experience. The following recommendations are suggested: foster student motivation, encourage student participation and cooperative through various activities and incentive, utilize PBL and virtual, continue to implementation the strategies to sustain student interest and engagement. By adopting this recommendation, educator can create more effective and enjoyable learning experience for their student. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.